This is my Traxxas TRX4m Bronco, and this is a Pro Scale light kit for the Bronco. There we go, it's all set. It was a little difficult to put them all in just because you don't have a whole lot of space to work with, but it comes with instructions that actually show you exactly where to put everything and then how to route all the wires through the body at the end, so that makes it pretty easy. It doesn't come across too well on the camera, but this looks so sick. The taillights too, they're super bright. They look absolutely amazing. There's a couple different modes and features for this kit. Right now I have it in the default mode, which gives you super bright headlights and daytime running lights in the front. And in the back, you get brake lights, tail lights, and reverse lights. So if I press the easy set button here on the ECM just once, it should turn off the headlights. So now we only have the daytime running lights and no super bright headlights. I also just unplugged the bumper lights there because I think it just looks a little more scale without them. Now if I press the easy set button again, it should turn off all the lights except for the brake and reverse lights. There we go, now there's no lights up in the front, and if we turn it around to the back, we have the brake lights and reverse lights, and then if we go forward, it turns them all off. And if you're wondering why the brake lights are always on, even when I'm not touching the throttle, that's because this truck actually has a drag brake, so when you just let off the throttle, it brakes all the way for you. You can turn it off, but I actually kind of like it for when you're going down a steep hill or even going up a steep hill. It's not just gonna roll away. Now if I press the button again, it should keep everything the same and turn on the hazard lights. There we go, we have hazards now. That is so sick. And check this out. The back lights even have the hazards as well, but you can't see it until I give it a little bit of throttle. Now if I press it one more time, it'll give me a display mode. I don't think the car can drive in display mode, but it just kind of goes through what all the lights can do. I just turned off the drag brake just to show you what it looks like without that on. So now without any throttle, it just gives you these taillights. So now if I go forward, it keeps that the same. And if I just tap the brakes, it makes them really bright. And then if I go in reverse, it gives me those reverse lights. So it's pretty sweet. I absolutely love this light kit. It looks so cool. It makes the truck look super scale. I'll probably leave it in the second mode most of the time, which just turns off the headlights so it doesn't blind you every time the car points at you. I'll put a link in the description of this video to where you can buy the light kit and the car if you're interested. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see another awesome video about this truck, click right here for that. And if you want to see a full playlist of videos about this truck, click right here for that, and I'll see you over there.